Hi, this is Tammy from SimplyScrappers, and this is What's New Wednesday. For today's project, I decided to showcase some of the Basic Gray's new line, Max and Whiskers. So first I'll talk about which product I used. So for the this double page layout, for the background papers, I used the Max and Whiskers, the Mittens. So that would be this distressed blue paper. In the back is a nice plaid, but I chose to go with the blue. And then for some of the embellishments on the pages, I chose to use Max and Whiskers Goldie, which again is a double-sided page. One side has got the cute little distressed-looking bones, and the other has got the distress with all the different color circles on it. So what I chose to do is use the Creative Memories circle cutter, the large one. And so what I did is I cut using the two different sizes of blades. I used the blue and the red blade, and that's what gave me this sort of frame, the large circle frame. And then what was left over the inside of it, I cut into two pieces. So this would be the one, which is the reverse side of this, and this is the other sandwich side, which is in here. And the leftover, I just cut into a rectangle, and I used a border punch by Fiskars. It's a threading water punch. I used that on this and on both parts of the circle as well. And then for the other I chose to use was I cut circles out of this paper, and this is called Max and Whiskers Gannet. That's the one side with the paws and the striping and the lacing, and the other side is the distressed sage green color. So what I did with that is I used the circle punch by Creative Memories, the 1.5 and the 1 1/4 inch size, and I cut out several different circles. And then to finish off the layout, I chose to use some embellishments by Basic Gray. I chose to use some of the brads, the Epoxy Brads, and I used those in the center of the circles that I did not crimp, and I layered this circle here. And then the other circles that I did not use the brads through, I used the Fiskars Crimper to give it this crimped effect. And the last embellishment I used was a part of the Basic Gray line as well, and they're called the woolies, and I used my little dog. And then I used their alphabet stickers as well. I used the Basics Mini Mono stickers in the dark chocolate brown to spell out best friends. And I'm also going to use, just to finish it off, this is a layout of my two dogs being the best friends. I'm going to use the smaller stickers, the Max and Whiskers Micro Mono stickers, in the distressed red finish to spell out their names. So again, for What's New Wednesday, I decided to showcase the new line by Basic Gray, and I think it turned out pretty well. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.